Hello everyone, Chemistry Tute is back again with a very important revision worksheet of the reactions, which covers your study of compounds. So without wasting any time, let me share the PDF with you all. Here it goes. Now in this PDF, you can see that the reactions are there. Now I have taken, you will be covering it both the ways. Like these are the reactions, you can get a question, complete and balance the reaction, or you can get the statement like, for example, copper sulfate is treated with ammonium hydroxide. For the statement, you have to write the balance reaction. So here it goes. I'm going it very slowly so that you can go one by one with the reactions. You can see I have balanced. If any catalyst is being used, then the catalyst is written. If any temperature condition is there, then that temperature condition is mentioned. The most important part, children, is the state of the acid, whether it is in the conc form or in the dilute form, you are supposed to write. Then in HCl, you have to write G if you are taking hydrogen chloride gas, because if you will only write HCl, then you might not get benefit of doubt. Don't think that the examiner will be very flexible to give you the marks thinking that you have written gas, because HCl is also the molecular formula of the acid. So you can see when I have started writing like this equation number 18, sodium carbonate plus HCl, I have written dilute. Dilute means that here we are not taking hydrogen chloride gas, we are taking it in a acid form and the state is dilute. You can see the heat symbols wherever they are required, they are mentioned. Please be very careful that you write the balanced reaction, because for the unbalanced reaction, board is not giving any marks. Now your conc HNO3 and conc HCl are taken in the ratio 1:3, 1 part nitric acid and 3 parts of HCl in the concentrated form. And this mixture is known as aqua regia. This is also one of the important reactions which you should be knowing. Then if we talk about equation number 34, HNO3 giving NO2, H2O plus O2. This is again very important because the question can come in the reasoning also. In my previous video, I have mentioned the same thing, that they can ask that pure nitric acid is transparent, but it appears yellow when it is left standing in a glass bottle, because the decomposition occurs. And because of that decomposition, nitrogen dioxide gas is released, which is reddish brown in color. Then you can see the state of nitric acid. Initially, the reactions were with dilute. Now the reactions they are writing with your concentrated. Now, when they are writing concentrated, they are also using the term hot and conc. Then there are two reactions, equation number 45 and 46. In this, cold and very dilute nitric acid is taken. Therefore, the byproduct is hydrogen. Then again, the reactions are with only dilute term. With nitric acid, there are certain reactions with conc. Now, whenever I take the class, I always tell my children that they are always confused that whether it will be NO or NO2. So if it is dilute, it is somewhat weak, you can say. Hypothetically, I'm saying it's weak, so no, only once it will be. But if it is conc, it is very strong. So twice it will come no, no. So no, no means NO2. So like this, you can remember, you can always have for yourself. This is the experiential learning which our teachers told, and I'm telling you just to remember. Now these are the reactions. Now FeSO4 plus H2SO4 conc plus dilute HNO3. Now this is also an important reaction. It is a chemical test where you can see the brown ring is formed, FeSO4.NO, brown ring nitroso iron 2 sulfate. This is also an important reaction. Then comes here, if you can see, the reactions are there with sulfuric acid. Now, when sulfuric acid is taken in a dilute form, if nothing is written, it is dilute. These are the common properties for the acid also, which we can use. And then if we take concentrated sulfuric acid in, then your byproducts are different. You can see here it on the board like equation number 66. Copper plus 2H2SO4 Kong gives copper sulfate plus 2H2O plus SO2. So these are the reactions. And anyone who wants to join online tutoring classes for chemistry, you can always text in the comment box as I have mentioned. I have mentioned my mail ID also. It's Shrivastava Rachna 1 Shrivastava.rachna1@gmail.com. You can always drop the message for details in the comment box, or you can mail me. It can be a one-to-one online tutoring also. It can be in a group also. And I am taking all the boards, your ICSC, ISC, IGSC, and IB, and of course CBSE, NCRT. So you all are most welcome to contact me if anyone wants to join the classes, because the fresh batches will be starting from 1st of April 2023. I am just sliding all the reactions once again for you all, so that you can easily glance through them. Here it goes, the revision sheet. It starts from here. If anyone has missed, I'm just pausing and then I am scrolling down. You can see the reactions, how they are written: balancing, temperature condition, their state. If any precipitate is being formed, then the downward arrow and the color of the precipitate. If dilute and conc are being used, then that has to be mentioned. Then the heat symbol, you can see. So just be careful, children. These reactions, if you will revise, it will be, of course, fruitful for you all. And I'm sure these revision worksheet will be helpful in preparing for your board exams. Once again, I'm sharing my details. You can follow me on Facebook and YouTube. So here are the details. So all the best for your board exams. I hope this worksheet will be very helpful for all of you. Thank you.